Hi guys, hope you're well. Thanks again for joining me in my kitchen, and today we are making cucumber and mint raita or chutney, whatever you want to call it. It's a cool fresh chutney that takes seconds to make. Use it to top fiery curries, biryanis, pakoras, onion bhajis, or as a dip for poppadoms too. Right, so in my bowl here, I've got 300 grams of Greek style yogurt. That is a quarter of a cucumber sliced like this, and make sure you drain the excess water. I'm just going to add that in. Some fresh mint, which I've grinded in the machine. And we'll chuck that in as well. I've got 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. I've got salt to taste, half a teaspoon of green chili paste, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And I'm just going to add everything in and give it a good mix. There you go. It's so easy, it's so delicious, and you can use this to almost anything. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Please do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see new recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.